Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Faizoull bin Abdullah. I am manufacturing student from Teknikal Universiti of Malaysia, Melaka. I am now taking the subject of engineers and society, and I study the environment and natural resource for the assignment needed. I'm here to explain to you about one of the sustainable development goals, which is the 15 goals that cover the life on land under pursuing green growth for sustainability and resilience. Let's take a look. What is the 15 goal of sustainable development? The definition of life on the land is to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and help and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. A flourishing life on land is the foundation of our life on this planet. We are all a part of the planet ecosystem, and we have caused several damage to it through the deforestation, loss of natural habitat, and land degradation. Promoting a sustainable use of our ecosystem and preserving biodiversity is not a cost. It is the key to our own survival. So, as an engineer student, we care to protect biodiversity and natural habitat, which need to take urgent and significant action to reduce the degradation of natural habitat, halt the loss of biodiversity, and by 2021, protect and prevent the extinction of the threatened species. At our homeland, we are facing the problem of the wild animal from the forest invade to the civilization and bring the chaos to the villages. The event occur mean the impact to the farmers, which the wild animal causing the damaging plant. Let's see what happened. In this video, we can see that there are wild boar are playing in the palm oil plantation. Usually, they are searching for the worm in the soil for their food. The question is, what will happen to the plantation area? Let's see for the next video. In this video, we can see that there is a lot of monkey across the road. They are playing at the side and at the center of the road, which could be dangerous to the people who using the road and also could harm the animal. Why this situation happened? Why the wild animal make a decision to show themselves to the civilization, causing the endanger problem to the people and to the animal itself? Let's take a look to another topic to discover the problem analysis. To analyze the problem occur, let's take a look to the habit of people itself. Our mankind are always evolving to the better life, but the evolving to the another stage, the deforestation occur to develop the new environment, which make more space to human but less space to the animal habitat. This is why the animals are always wandering around into the civilization. The question is, who invade who? Are these animals invade the human place or the mankind itself invade their place and home? Let's see the video. Our mankind are always involved, and this will make we need more space and invade more forests. I survey the situation at the scene. There is so much place that has been taken from human. The soil has been excavated and the rivers are contaminated. The flowing water that is the source of the animal drink in the forest has been polluted. So, how the animals searching the clean water source to gain energy to proceed their life? This is reason why wild animals are come out of the forest and roam into the village area, only to find their food source that has been polluted by mankind. So, as an engineering student, I see we could solve the problem occur in many ways to preserve the habitat system and avoid the invaded problem. Let's see the next topic to see the solution of the problem occur. In this topic, I will explain to you how the community here at my village solve the problem of the invaded wild animal to the community. There is a season in our neighborhood once in a year where the hunters will go to the forest to hunt the wild boars. A group of the elder people from the village that have the license to use a gun voluntarily to participate in hunting the wild boar in the forest. This action is taken to preserve residential area from being invaded by wild boar, and one of the important things is to taken care of the safety of the villagers to prevent the incident due to the wild boar roaming into the local area. But to preserve the habitat system of this wild animal, the community set the limit of the hunting target in a season to prevent the extinction of the habitat. And the limit also were to preserve the forest ecosystem. This is because the wild boar is a natural engineer in the forest. This habitat usually create the forest structure by doing the amazing job, which is loosening the soil and spread the seed of the trees in the forest. The animal that has been shot will be managed properly. The community, in collaboration with the district council, will be taking care of the wild boar carcass, which preserve the carcass by burying them at the specific location. This action to make sure the body of the wild boar will not attract another predator to roaming the local area. So, this is one of the non-engineering solutions that have already applied in the community. But as a nature lover, I am seeking that could be another way to protect and to preserve without this cruel way in solving the problem. Let's take a look to how we apply the engineering solution in the next chapter. In this topic, I will explain to you what I have discovered to solving the problem using the engineering solution. What we need to do to reduce the degradation of natural habitat and protect or prevent the extinction of the threatened species in protecting biodiversity and natural habitat. First of all, government legislation. Government have the power to control what is done to the habitat within their country. Legislation that protect natural habitat by allowing development, harvesting of natural resource, or other human exploitation has a huge impact on maintaining natural biodiversity. Additionally, the law protecting some specific species can help to protect animals that have already been impacted. Protecting habitat before they have been altered is the best form on biodiversity conservation and is most successfully implemented by government regulation. The second thing is nature preserve. Nature preserve are a form of government regulation and are often known as national parks. They protect a region and the organisms that live there from certain form of development and provide access for people to visit them. This is excellent because it protects the natural habitat and is a place where people can view the ecosystem. The goal is that over time this helps people have more respect for the natural world and increasing pressure on government to further protect other areas. So at the end of this video, we can conclude that biodiversity is very important thing and very wonderful place that contain different species of plant and animal that living in the same habitat system. Over time, they balance each other and hold the ecosystem together. When a species is removed or biodiversity is reduced, the ecosystem can lose its balance, causing it to break down. So, an educated engineer, we should working together in preserving and restoring terrestrial biodiversity and ecosystem such as forest and mountain by halting deforestation and land degradation. We should stop the unsustainability activity occur to gain a sustaining life on land. At last, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can make a change to the world so we can afford the better life for the future generation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.